Oh, so you support government then? Harry, get my musket.
What the fuck?
Let's go, Brandon.
Shut the fuck up, contrast! When I said I'm bi, I didn't mean bipolar. This is some gourmet shit, Jimmy. They couldn't post EcoBoost videos on Instagram. You know why? Because the videos weren't allowed to be more than 15 seconds.
Get my shit rocked.
You boys like Mexico?
Oh, we got a balloon shop down now, sorry. Gregor, you're slacking.
Wait.
Oh, your foot, bro.
Oh, that's tiny.
No, it's not like we're not gonna see tarantulas and shit. Tarantulas. Your food.
Yeah, I ordered ramen. I got some pork bass for the driver from Union all the way over here.
What'd you tip?
I haven't tipped yet. I'm gonna give him cash.
I'm gonna give him this dick.
The less the government knows, the better. Am I right? Oh, so you support government then? Harry, get my musket.
What the fuck? Wow, mira que lindo.
Mira que linda Lupe. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna fucks with you.
Hell yeah, it looked way fucking better. That's what I imagined in my head.
Oh, is that what you were thinking? We ended up doing, I'm gonna let them finish sawing. Any day now. All right, so we talked Kevin into the bigger turbo, VS Racing 7875, true 4-inch downpipe all the way. We redid the cold side, new 3.5 charge pipe up, which actually works with a decent sized rubber hose, clamp, thingamabobber, silicone thingy. Moved up the intercooler, condom, and it looks like it's actually decent now. So we're gonna put it back on the dyno either today or tomorrow, see what it makes power-wise, make sure it doesn't have valve flow. Go from there.
Price on the transmission. Hey dude, that thing's dope, man. Alright, do mine. The header, look, it's melting the plastic right there already.
What plastic is that? Oh, the main body harness. Nothing crazy.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, move the F-150, let's put it back on the dyno.
Turned down, they made more boost. Just because of the turbo, probably.
Yeah, it's turned down a whole turn from what it made 812 on last time.
The turbo's more efficient. No, we're not gonna do that. That's too much, especially for the stock trans concern.
Just gonna send that.
I ordered this crab pen holder thing from Amazon, and I thought I bought one to scale, but it's real fucking small. It can't even fucking hold the pen. So I went back and looked at the reviews. Everybody's fucking pissed. So
It does hold a pen.
barely, as you can see.
Oh my god.
It's tiny, right? It's a little sand crab.
It can't even hold the pen.
Me trying to carry everybody's fucking problems.
He spent $8 on this. I could have went to the dollar store and got you a little action figure for what? Actually, I lied. It's not even a dollar store anymore. It's $1.07.
Inflation.
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go.
Dude, that thing's pulled up fucking quick still. It needs two of them.
Chill. Still has the stock trans.
I did it in like 5th because it didn't sound like too happy already. I think he's been beating on it more than he's been telling us.
What do you mean a customer taking a car and will be on it without?
After we tell him it's a bass tune.
It's never happened before. Not ever. We're just playing Kevin.
Turn off the fan. Shut the fuck up, contrast! Thank you, Harry. Anyways, Brian's bipolar.
Oh, you're not?
When I said I'm bi, I didn't mean bipolar. So it made 901. It made more boost, but it actually has decent fuel in it because whenever we did the first pull at 816, which was respectable for a first pull on a new combo, it was knocking because I don't know where Kevin got this crappy ass fuel, and it was like E60. So we put some nice ethanol 1 fuel in it. He asked me, where do you get your fuel from? I said, out of a barrel. Yeah, straight from the tap. This is some gourmet shit, Jimmy. On 14 pounds, it made 901. So I think we're done, honestly. This just goes to show you what a good turbo does versus the shitty turbo. I mean, that's a VS Racing 78, 75 millimeter turbo. T4, 4-inch downpipe the whole way like it's supposed to be. It's making over 150 horsepower what it made last time. I mean, nothing's really changed. Like, yeah, it made an extra pound or two, but I mean, is it really making 60 horsepower more per pound? No. It's just a better turbo all around.
No, you did not.
That's the one you did, right? You designed it. Do you want to do it?
Yeah. We have 300,000 units here and a million will on the way.
Island boy.
One. Now it's gonna make like 600 horse. Two. Mad.
That'll be
It
right.
needs a fucking boost controller so we can actually see what it's doing.
It's all the boost he needs. I told him before he left, I said, about a 900 horsepower car right there. And he was like, you think? I said, 900. I made 901. That's pretty cool. It definitely doesn't spool up as fast as the last turbo.
Yeah.
But it's working.
Yeah, you can tell it carries the power out.
And you don't want it to spool too soon anyways, right? So if it has a slight lag, that's fine, but this thing's not even laggy. Like if we pull up the graph, like it's just like, holy shit.
Yeah.
See, this is how the kits are supposed to come, but if they came like this, they can't sell them for 3,500 bucks. They'd have to sell them for 6 or 7 grand like everybody else. So,
Yeah.
fucking Hellcat killer right here.
Hellcat, shit. Motherfucker.
EcoBoost killer for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Camaro killer.
For sure. EcoBoost killer.
EcoBoost killed itself.
EcoBoost committed suicide. That motherfucker was like, oh shit.
Knew it was coming for it.
These cars are fast.
We're not rusting no more.
Shit, bro, my shit was slow and rusting. It was a bracket car, boy. 13.7 all day. No matter if it was hot, cold. Here, 12 twos. And then over there, fast as fuck. 11 eights and 11 sevens.
Nobody cares about EcoBoost.
I know.
You know why they don't put...
Everyone starts somewhere.
Bro, before 2020, they couldn't post EcoBoost videos on Instagram. You know why? Because the videos weren't allowed to be more than 15 seconds. So Harry bought a Nerf gun thinking that he was going to have the upper hand on me. And he has it hidden, but Brian has spies. So later on, whenever Harry thinks he's going to catch slipping, we're going to catch his ass slipping. So if you're watching this, Harry, you're going to fuck around and find out.
You got me headshot. Get my shit rocked. He got a helmet on.
Get him in the ball.
Not me! Look at this dude.
Ow!
It's good, right?
I got nothing to throw back.
Oh, he's reloading right now.
Oh, you took my spot.
Pick up the balls. He has so many, that's not even fair.
Look at you, picking him up off the ground.
No! That was funny.
Never a dull moment.
Oh fuck! He got popped in the face with this one. Okay, sorry. Yes, sir.
Oh, is this close to fucking eating that? Freaking sociopath.
Hey, how's it going?
This way, asshole. The back tire, when he hit it, the back tire was like this wide, and it started going faster and faster, and it got like this, and then when you let it off of it.
It's out of intake manifold.
Damn. Probably somebody would have recommended a bigger one.
Put a high ram on it.
Chris, we're gonna put a high ram on it. Okay. This cold air intake you just bought, useless.
Pull the cold air intake off at the throttle body and make sure it's opening all the way.
I don't want this.
Nah, bro.
On the inside, loosen it up. Wait till I'm done. High country interior, AC seats.
Hey, look at that.
You can look at my Instagram, man. They get
Oh,
that's what it's gonna be.
Right that boy. It catches right here. That's where it hits because it flaps back.
You saw it touching?
Yeah. It doesn't even go 50%, bro. When it opens, the hole's gonna make a whole lot more power.
Okay, let's stick a rag, whatever shavings are left, which is back in the mouth. Dremel or the Milwaukee.
I used to do this a long time ago. I'm gonna port that throttle button.
Back in my day.
Man, this truck has fought me every step of the fucking way. This is the most fucking ghetto thing I've ever done in my life. Motherfucker. Bro.
Yay.
Levi, why you look like you're ready to go home?
I don't know. I figured I look like this all day.
I woke up like this.
I've been wanting to go home since I left home.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so it's probably a setting I gotta figure out.
So is that supposed to be like 100% whenever you...
Yeah, like it's not even going on the flood cure mode or nothing like that. So as far as we know, we're like the second swap like this on our the 10 speed and you know all this other shit.
Ours isn't as fancy.
No, ours isn't fancy. It's just in keys. I mean, it's nice.
It is nice. We put our touch on it.
Yeah.
It only made 413 horse.
In sixth.
Yeah, but 413 horse with the 10-speed behind is pretty nasty.
Yeah, well, it's got heads cam, but it's got stock intake manifold and stock manifolds.
Yeah.
So to fix those two things, it'll pick up a shit ton of power.
He's gonna have to get some custom headers made.
Yeah, or you can run the 6th-gen headers, but you gotta modify them. Or I think the C10 swap ones fit also, but on that side, I think you gotta modify something.
But the flange is different on these heads compared to LS, right?
Yeah.
It was scary. How fast did it go?
130 on the Nano. But I mean, this is an old ass truck with like some.
Yeah.
These tires have never been that fast before, and those wheels I'm pretty sure aren't balanced because they were fucking like the whole way. I wonder if it's a small ass filter not helping either.
You can tune that out.
Hello there. Zap.
I have the high ground. Don't try it.
Cut your dick off easier. Cut your dick off and throw it at you. You go fuck yourself.
Why are we fighting each other? Let's just fucking.
Fuck off. Give me my blaster. I'm helpless. I'm Padme in this situation. I'll choke you anyway. All she had to do to get out of that Porsche truck was just harder, Anakin. You're like, Annie, your kids are literally in here.
You've been drinking the fucking margaritas.
Her pregnant? She shouldn't have been driving either to a fucking volcanic planet. That's just like bad writing.
And that's why people mad at George Lucas. And then they lived in peace.
You like fried okra?
Yes. It's nice. Very, very good.
Well, I'm not gonna trust any of y'all on anything about food because you said you put crawfish in the fucking pot for 4 minutes and then pull them out.
Yeah,
no
no.
soak time, nothing. And
Bro,
then
he didn't even let me talk.
you're
got me
lactose
for
intolerant,
2
so I don't want to
seconds.
hear anything out of you.
Wow.
This man right
I'm
here.
disabled. You're making fun of the disabled. Canceled.
I'll kick a retard over the
Oh my god.
Say that again.
He said, I'll kick a Rico. I don't give a fuck.
At least it turned on right away.
He fucking flinched. Does not smell good. I was about to tell you to move the lift out from under my truck.
Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Oh, damn! Harry's been fired from another channel. No. Pack my box, I'm done. Harry's scope of work has completed. Let the record show. It's on good terms. He helped us get caught up on our project. But I think it's time, yeah, he'll be back obviously. But it's time to go home and finish up his own thing. Levi entered emotional crying montage here and all the fun times. Harry getting clapped by the fucking Nerf gun.
Oh shit, rock.
Hola, papi.
Let's go, Brandon.
Just gonna send that. I'm gonna grab the fire extinguisher because I built this shit myself.
What'd you get for fucking racing the Banks car, bro? Cop right there in the CBS.
Back to the field, Harry.
Zooey mama. I want it, daddy. You ever just caught yourself thinking, how does a sewing machine work?
I would drag the shit out of that EcoBoost, but it's already broke.
Oh.
You have a job that actually pays you money now, okay?
Let her rip, potato chip. It's not the bolts you need to worry about.
Thick as fuck. Harry, you can't be wearing shorts, I already told you.
Oh my god.
You got a 6-liter LS for hauling ass.
We had 14 cars, 11 of them broke.
Buckle up for safety, motherfucker.
Don't get yourself fired from another channel, Harry.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away.
You boys like Mexico?
He just shot me with mine. Point blank. Oh, I'm driving right there. I was like, what the fuck?
He's fucking swerving, hit Yorkie's cars. Came to Houston for 2 months to blow up his car.